11 November, Tuesday. I mark previous day high, previous day low, previous session low, and previous session highs. Or you can say the current day highs. Price took the liquidity, which is liquidity sweep, then gave the break of structure after multiple pips, which is this break of structure. Then what happens? Price moves to this nearest fair value gap, and I could have taken the trade right here as my TP to the nearest liquidity and the SL to be then last fair value gap. This should be my SL. But instead of taking the trade right here, I mistaken and expected for the perfection that the price would move to this zone. So I missed the trade. Then for the greed, or you can say for impatience of mine, like I was impatient at that time. What I did, I saw the price moving to my particular fair value gap. So I thought of taking the trade right here. You know, I thought of taking a trade right here, and I thought that price would move to this particular fair value gap zone, and then it will go down to this particular zone. But instead of doing this, price went up and took my SL. Just because of the fair value gap, it doesn't make sense to take trades right there. You have to wait for confluences. The confluence was done. The move was made. So after that, being impatient is not the way of finding trades. And the thing is, always try to find your TP to the nearest liquidity zone, not just to the for the greed. You have to take the TP at the last. Always try to take to the nearest liquidity zone, which is best. So that's all for today.